1, 2.
So, Helena, sometimes you have the talk on the town and some people say that we support B2B in our platform, in our business, etc. But the thing is, if you define B2B, what is the B2B really?
Yeah, I mean, it's me and Niklas often talk about that it's not enough to remove the VAT and to have an organization number, but maybe we are a bit unfair here because it's a sliding scale. I mean, it in the easiest form, you can basically, if you're going to do it for small companies and so on, it is enough to basically remove the VAT and to have some like organization numbers you can put in so you can use it for...
The price list and you're done.
Yeah, I mean, that's like, then you could use JetShop or Shopify or something. So, I mean, that's in one part of it. But I think often when you and I talk about B2B commerce, that's not what comes to mind for us.
And I think it's if you move up the ladder with
the other end of the scale.
Yeah, exactly. More up to the more enterprise level or mid to enterprise. I'd say there's a amount of requirements there might be complex product models which have a lot of attributes and custom things you can choose from. You might adhere to specific processes with a customer, and you might have some back-end integrations to the customer's procurement or purchasing system.
And then we are quite far away from just removing the VAT.
Yeah, and I think it's of course a sliding scale, as you said, because some things that a lot of B2B customers that sells to mid-sized companies appreciate is the option to have like a custom catalog per customer. So just pricing, but also
assortment.
Assortment, exactly, and also pricing and other attributes.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So maybe when me and Niklas have said that that's removing the VAT is not enough, we are a bit harsh. There is of course a scale. Okay.
Yeah, but I'd say that neither of us works with clients that has
because then they can usually figure it out.
Yeah,
themselves.
yeah. So and that's also something we hear from a lot of our clients, that we understand B2B, and that's because we have tools or processes or understanding for their specific B2B business processes, which is far outside removing VAT.
Yeah.
So I think it's and feel free to reach out to Helena or me if you have questions about B2B, because we're happy to talk, and sometimes we have something to bring to the table as well, because we've done it the last.
Okay.
So
thank you for watching,
have a nice Thursday.
Yeah.